Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement. So give me 3 minutes right here and then we will start the review for sure, and also will give you these bonuses if you go and buy the product using my link below. So I'll tell you what are these bonuses and how you can get them if you watch the video till the end, and we'll also talk about the real methods which you can use for long term to make money online. So all I need to ask you to watch the video till the end, okay? The announcement is that I'm launching a software called Launch to Profit AI, okay? So this is for complete marketeers, affiliate marketeers, or if you want to promote anything and you need to generate content automatically. This is the software I'm launching. So make sure you watch the video till the end to know what this is and how can you get to this software or the page. So first of all, go below my video, click on this thing called check out all of my Warrior Plus products offer. So you click on that link and then you come here, and then these are my previous launches, but the latest one is Launch to Profit AI. So right click on it and then you click on open link and then you come to the sales page right here. So this is the sales page. All you need to do is you need to watch this complete demo video for 22 minutes. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you the demo video in this one, that will be too long. You can ignore things on the sales page, okay? You can spend your time on the sales page, but the key here, the core of the offer is this demo video. So go and watch this 22 minutes demo video to understand what this software will help you with. I'll show you some glimpses. So for example, if I come here, it says generate affiliate campaigns in seconds. And what else can you generate? You can generate these reviews, everything. So let me show you practically. Okay, so just give me another 60 seconds here. So product name, we can type in, for example, just the same product name for my offer. So Launch to Profit AI. Okay, and I'll copy the sales page URL for the same landing page. So where are we? I'll type in my URL here. So you can type in your affiliate link too. And main benefit, what does it do? It creates done for you affiliate content automatically. You can just take your time here and type in whatever your offer does. Okay, so if you're promoting anything, you just type in what does that offer do. You can take your time there. Okay, so all these things are optional. If you want to type in the vendor name, you can type in, for example, I can just type in my company name here. You don't have to, it's optional, but you can type in if you want to. Target audience, you can type in target affiliate marketers or anything else. I will leave it blank for now. I will leave it this blank for now as well. So where you can choose the platform, Warrior Plus, JVZoo Launchpad. I will leave it on Warrior Plus. The niche are these many. Choose any of these things. I will leave it on AI. And writing tone, I will leave it authority. You can choose, pick and choose, play around here. And then let's quickly click on generate campaign. Okay, so once I do that, you see the very first thing it does is it creates 2000 words article. As you can see, scroll down. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see it's 2000 words long. Okay, and it's the article on Launch to Profit AI. Similarly, whatever you will be launching, whatever will be your product name, it will create the article for that. And not only that, look at this here. We are giving you bonus pages. We're giving you email copies. We're giving you YouTube script. We are giving you social media. We are giving you ad copy. Okay, let me show you. Headlines, this, it's never ending. It goes even up to visuals. Okay, so all of this I have explained in detail in this demo video in 22 minutes. Okay, so that is why I'm saying come and watch this demo video, and then you go and grab your copy. Okay, and if you go and buy this Launch to Profit, then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. So email me on this with your receipt that you have purchased Launch to Profit AI, and then you will get your bonuses. And you will also get the bonuses if you buy this product for which we are doing the review as well. So do the recap here now. Recap is, if you want Launch to Profit, my own launch, then you click on this link which says check out all my Warrior Plus products. Come here, go to the sales page, then watch the demo video, then go and buy, and then email me with your receipt and you will get the bonuses. Thanks for giving your time and watch the video. Now we'll start the review. Watch the video till the end to know how to make real money online. Alright guys, let's do this KDP master review. So right now we are on the JV page and their product is launching today. It shows it's launching on June 12th, and it's quite miraculous that it's launching today, but their sales page is missing and demo video is missing. Okay, there's no sales page, there's no demo video, and the product is launching just today. So that's quite unique. So there's no sales page, there's no demo video which I can show you. So we have to just keep it short. So what does it do? It says AI just cracked the code to an unlimited book publishing, and the KDP world will never be the same again. The world's first complete AI book publishing machine that researches profitable niches, this and that. Okay, so in case when this product goes live, actually, then you will find a link below my YouTube video. Okay, so below my video it will be saying grab KDP master copy here. Click on that link and then you will come to the sales page if this product goes live. Okay, for now we have no idea. For now there's no sales page, no demo video, though, no nothing. But if it goes live, then you will find the link below my YouTube video so that you can click there and come to the sales page and you can go and buy your copy and get my bonuses. Okay, so watch the video till the end to know my to know what my bonuses are. And what this product does is it creates some books which you can publish on Amazon using AI and this and that. Okay, so plus it creates and sell unlimited KDP books with AI with a free commercial license and keep 100% of every dollar. So I think I already told you. It instantly creates children books, puzzle books, journals, planners, coloring books, activity books, workbooks, storybooks, right? Yadala. Let's see their funnel here. So you have to pay them, I guess, 30. I mean, this is, I don't think 37. I think it should start with maybe it's $17. You know, if their sales page is not live yet, if their demo is not live yet, so I don't see the prices are actually correct here. Okay, so these prices might change. There's nothing they have updated. They are so careless. How can they be? I don't know. Okay, if your product is launching today, then it should be ready, man. You should be. You know, it shows here 10 hours to go. Your sales page is not out. Your demo is not out. I mean, just, it's not my product. It's not my problem. Okay, so if you want this KDP thing, then go and buy from my link if you find the link below. Otherwise, you can go and buy my product, which we talked about in the beginning, the Launch to Profit AI. Okay, so now watch the video till the end to know how to make real money and to know about my bonuses. Alright guys, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about my real methods which will make you real money if you follow them. So below the video you have many links, but I will go ahead and talk about bonuses as well. So stick till the end. And right now, let me show you my YouTube profile. If you don't know me, then you will know me by looking at my YouTube channel. So once the YouTube profile is open or you click on my channel name, then go to playlist here. And in playlist, you could see that I have done these reviews 1647 times already, okay, before this video. So you can see affiliate product reviews and there is a number of 1647 videos, which means I have done these reviews for a number of years. I started this, I think, 5 years ago, and then I left these reviews 3 years ago, and then I changed my field to forex trading, as you can see here. Okay, so the methods which I'm going to talk about, they are not like I woke up from my dream and I'm telling you do this. No, I have been doing those methods or using those methods to make money for myself for a number of years. Okay, so one method is obviously YouTube, make videos and make money, or sell something in a YouTube and make money. We'll talk about that in a moment. Another method is forex trading, which I have done. As you can see, I was doing reviews, then I switched to forex trading, and then I can mix both of these things. I can do reviews, I can do trading, so it's fine for me. So come back here and let me close this one, by the way. So first of all, let me get this thing out of the head that who this trading is for. You know, can you do it or not? That's not the right question. The right question is, do you have the money to invest or not? Okay, if you're broke, this is not for you. If you live on paychecks, salary to salary, it's not for you. If you are on a budget, it's not for you. It's only for people who have, you know, funds available or flexible with the funds. Okay, if you don't have money to invest, it's not for you. That's it. Okay, if you have the funds, if the money is sitting in your bank account doing nothing, then yes, you can try investing into trading and you can join my mentorship program. So you click on this link called Swing Like a Pro, and then you go to the page, enter your email. After that, you will come to this page here where you can go and watch these setups or the trades which we have taken in the recent past. Okay, and these are like short videos, 2 minutes videos. Each video will be long, 2 minutes, and you can go and check out my knowledge that if I know anything or not. So go and check out these things in your free time. And then the second method is obviously make money on YouTube. Anybody can do it. We click on this link here and you can get to your YouTube channel monetized just within 4 weeks. Go and watch the testimonial right here. You can see the testimonial, enter your name, email. After that, you will come to this page right here and you will be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized, full blown monetized within 1 month. Okay, testimonials are right there on the page here. Go and check them out. And then you can make money with YouTube ad revenue. As you can see here, you can make money by selling something, by affiliate marketing, this and that, this and that. Okay, go and check out everything in your free time. I'm giving you all the methods which I have used in my online life. Okay, trading for people who have the money. YouTube, anybody can make if you have the knowledge, but you have to go and get Traffic Jarvis to get this knowledge. Okay, Traffic Jarvis is right here, the YouTube course. And then we have this get 100 email leads per day. In case you want 100 email leads per day and you want to sell them anything, any offer of your choice, then this system will give you 100 leads per day, and also the system or the software so that you can email them once per day. And you can see I had been making this kind of money from number of years. It's never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It's never ending, never ending, never ending. It will not make you rich. $5 here, $5 there. It will not make you rich, but it's never ending, as you can see. Okay, it's coming, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring. Okay, it will not make you rich, but if you want couple of $100 per month, extra, it might help you. Again, results are not guaranteed. All the results, depends on your consistency, on your discipline, on your hard work. My results are based on my hard work. Okay. And then if you do not know what to do exactly, if you're not sure at all, you don't know what's going on here, you can speak with me. Okay, you can talk to me, one-to-one consultation. It says book one-to-one consultation. You click on this link right here, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes on audio call. Scroll down, you can book your 40 minutes audio call for $97. You click here and you make the payment, and after the payment you email me your timing. When do you want to speak? What is your availability? Or you can even email before the payment. You can email and we can fix the timing, and you can make the payment, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes and you can discuss anything you want. You can discuss your affiliate marketing, YouTube thing, if you want to make money on YouTube, or how to start with affiliate marketing, or you want to do email marketing, or you want to try trading. Whatever your questions will be related to MMO, make money online, or whatever you have in your mind, I will help you to answer. I'll talk to you, help you, whatever I can help you with. Okay, so if you want to speak with me because you don't know what to do, you can book consultation with me. And let's talk about the bonuses now. So bonuses, if you go and buy the product from my link below, so let's say you find the link below my video which says grab copy, and you go and buy, then the links will be automatically then the bonus will be automatically delivered. Okay, you will get a free lifetime email autoresponder so that you can email for free for lifetime, and you can grow your email list. And you will get also 2 hours of video training, which is case tracking. Case tracking means keep it simple. So it's like doing what I'm doing right now in this training. Okay, so if you want to make these reviews and get some sales and make some money, then go and get this case tracking training and learn how am I doing this, what I'm doing right now, for free. Okay, and there's Forex Profit Machine. If you have no idea what this trading is all about, I am giving you 11,000 words of PDF. It's totally for beginners, and if you go through this PDF, you will know exactly what Forex trading is. Okay, if you have any questions at any point of time, you can go and email me. If you want to buy Review to Profit AI, if for example, in the beginning, I have shown you this. I have shown you Launch to Profit AI. Okay. Anyway, so let's do a quick recap. Okay, you can get these bonuses if you go and buy the product using my link below, for which we have done the review in the beginning. Or else you can also get these bonuses if you buy Review to Profit or Launch to Profit from my not from my link, because these are my software anyway. Okay, so Review to Profit, Launch to Profit, they are my software anyway, so you are buying directly from me. In that case, what you have to do is you have to just email me the receipt, the purchase proof that you have bought Review to Profit AI or Launch to Profit AI, and then ask me to send you the bonuses, and I will manually email you this link where you can grab these bonuses. Okay, so whether you buy the third party product for which I'm doing the review, or whether you buy this Review to Profit or Launch to Profit, you will get your bonuses. It's just that you have to email me when you buy these two things from me, Review to or Launch to AI Profit. These things, if you buy, you have to just email me and I'll send it manually. I hope you understand it. Okay. So I guess let's wind this up. And if you have any questions, this is the email. And if you want to make money, use these methods. Either try trading if you have the money. Otherwise, just come and make money on YouTube, get your channel monetized, or get 100 leads, or you can book consultation with me if you are confused. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.